Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in diamond black. It looks fantastic. You do have your Jeep badging up front there with your red accented tow hooks on it. You do also have halogen quad headlights right there with your fog lights just down there, and coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims with our Falcon brand tires. They look great. I really love those black and silver rims. They look awesome. Now you do also have heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way around to the back here we do have that Trailhawk badging as well as the Jeep in the 4x4. You got another red tow hook back here and your backup camera. Now as long as it's unlocked you just gotta press the button and it is an automatic open. Just like that. Looks fantastic. Very nice back here, very soft as well. You can lift this up if you did want, and underneath is your spare tire. Hopefully you don't ever need it, but if you do, it is right there. You also got some additional storage just on the side, right there and there. And to close it back up, you just press that button, and you also can fold those seats forward to give you some additional room. Just like that, and it closes right up for you, real nice. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. We also have this one to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and all warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold, gross weather. Now, as well, it does have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you just gotta put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus, you got the button if you want to use that. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there, as well as a bit of a silver accenting on your handle here. You got leather for your arm, feels very nice. You got this red stitching, it looks great. You got the red accenting there as well. You got some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior. It is leather, looks great, and you got that red Trailhawk that stands out very nicely with that stitching again. And down here you do have the controls over your seats, so you have your tilt as well as your back and forward and your lumbar support there. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, so we have our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our auto, as well as we have our fog lights to press them in cabin light control there. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals and our high beams. Let's start up here. So you just gotta put your foot on the brake, press the button, and you're good to go. Okay, in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You also have your speedometer there. You can enter around your settings, screen setup, messages, stop, start, trip, fuel economy, and then your vehicle info. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your call out, voice recognition, and your hang up button for your Bluetooth. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options there on the other side. Now around the back of the steering wheel we do have a volume up and down button, and this one is the control over our windshield wipers. Now we also have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so we do have our radio, we have our AM, FM, and XM. Then we also have our media devices if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your climate control here, and it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your Uconnect apps right here. Then you also have your controls over your heated steering wheel and heated seats. You got your navigation over here. If you do hit your view map, you can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. And then you can hit your phone options here, and you can see all the different stuff if you did have a phone hooked up. Then down here in our climate control, we do have our volume up and down with the off. You have your mute, your hazard lights, your screen off, then your browser over there. You got the off right there for your You do have the off right there for your climate control, your AC, your circulation, heat up and down, power, the mode, then the defrost over there in the auto. And then down here we do have this guy, which is the terrain selector. So you got your snow, sand, mud, rock, all those, so 4-wheel lock and 4-wheel low, as well as your downhill assist. You also have your USB plug-in, a aux cord plug-in, and then you can also open this guy up and you got to plug it in there. You can switch gears with this guy, and you do have that backup camera when you are in reversed. With the red accenting, it looks very nice. You got electronic parking brake here with your stop, start, and your traction control. And then you also have your cup holders there. You can also open this guy up. You got some storage just in there. And over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. We also have up here, this guy opens up the back. You got some lights and your controls over your sunroof. Speaking of your sunroof, it is gigantic, dual pane. It looks great, lets in tons of light. Well, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have the controls over your windows. A handle here in that same leather, feels nice. Red accenting, as well as a bit of storage down here, the water bottle holder. It is leather back here as well. Tons of room. You can fit 5 people. If you don't need all 5, you can fold this down. You got a cup holder with some armrests, and very comfortable back here as well. You got some plugins just down there. And then you can also fold this forward just with this button. Then you do have even more room to lay stuff in here if you did need. And there's our 2.4 liter multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.